Conditionals Quiz. First and second. Do you know how to use first and second conditionals? We use the first conditional to talk about possible situations or events that may easily happen. And we use the second conditional to talk about unrealistic situations. Let's get started. If you are free tonight, we might go out for a drink or to the cinema. She will be depressed if she fails the exam. If I didn't know you, I would think you were crazy. Tell me the truth if you can. If you had a bigger salary, you would buy more unnecessary things. If it weren't for Karen, I wouldn't be here. You should call me if you see anything unusual. If we had this player, we wouldn't lose a single match. Our lives would be much easier if you worked closer to home. If I got a job in Spain, we might eat paella every day. We will never find the keys if we don't look for them. If your boss finds out, you might lose your job. Shall we go to the beach if the weather is okay? If we both saved enough money, we could go to Germany. If you don't want the job, you should tell her. They couldn't afford the house even if they both earned double their salaries. You would find it more interesting if you paid more attention. I won't tell you my secret unless you tell me yours. Do you think she would come if we invited her? It will taste better if you add a bit of salt. If I won the lottery, I would buy a car. She will call you if she hears the news. If he were taller, he would become a basketball player. We will miss the train if we don't leave now. If she didn't spend so much time on her phone, she would finish her project earlier. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more valuable content like this. See you in our upcoming videos.